Hello, this is my Enhancement 5 submission video. We will start with going to the new category. You can see that I've added validation and it won't let me submit the form without filling in the category field. If we click add a category, you can see that the dynamic navigation bar added it there. If I go to add new product, I start selecting, and if I don't finish filling out the form, you can see that before it lets you submit the form, it says you have to fill out the field. So I will fill out the rest of the fields. I'll be back momentarily. Now, as you can see, I filled out this form, and when I click add product, it says you've added Big Boom to the product inventory. Now I will validate all the HTML and CSS. And the CSS is valid. And my HTML is valid. We go to the new product and validate. It is valid. And if we go back to a new category and validate the HTML, it is also valid.